This is week 14 of trying to become a profitable trader. I have 8 pairs mapped out for this week to trade. I just need to wait for the right confirmation and the right time to enter the trade. Some setups will take days and some won't even play out. No setup, no trade. That's it. So we are directly hopping onto the chart with AUD CAD. That was the pair that I traded last week and I lost the trade because of FOMO, and the trade still isn't gone basically because I still have this trade for this week, because if we close under this area of interest we are creating a new lower low on the 4-hour and could potentially head to our area of interest, target area of interest. So this is again the pair that I want to trade for this week. One of 8 pairs. Next off we have GBP CAD. On GBP CAD you can see on the weekly we do have some type of reaction from this area of interest and the EMA, even though we are in a downtrend. So if we get the right and perfect opportunity to enter the trade, I will enter for a long on this pair, but only if we get a close above, so like a break and retest above. Currently it doesn't look like it, but we will see what happens with this pair. So I just need to wait for the perfect opportunity. Euro CHF, still the pair from last week, even though we hit our first target area of interest. If we close under this area of interest on the daily, we could potentially head further to the downside to this area of interest. So all I gotta do is now wait for a close under on the daily and a retest. On NZD CAD, you can see we are in an uptrend and I'm still waiting for the break and retest. I already had this pair for last week, but we never got the break and retest, so maybe we are getting it this week. If not, this pair is gone. I can't trade, I can't short on this pair because we are kind of in an uptrend and above the area of interest and not below. So NZD USD, I wanted to have the trade from this area of interest along with the EMA, but currently we did not get an entry at this area of interest because we were in a downtrend. Now we are in an uptrend again, so I'm waiting for this small daily / 4-hour area of interest to get hit along with the EMA and almost around psychological level, not really, but almost like 0.58800, so not the best round psychological, but just waiting for the retest and a good entry. NZD CHF, we are in an uptrend. This would have been the trade that we would love to take. We wanted to catch this trade right here, but we unfortunately didn't, and now we are getting another retest along with a daily rejection candle, almost 2 daily rejection candles. So now all I gotta do is wait for a break and retest on the 4-hour, maybe a break above on the daily, like a close above on the daily. NZD USD JPY, we are below this resistance area of interest and we are kind of in a downtrend if we count this as a structure point, and on the daily we are clearly in a downtrend with a really impulsive break under this area of interest that I don't really like because this was a news candle, I think, so I can't really count this as a normal market structure, so I just want to wait for a retest and a perfect opportunity to sell this trade, but I don't really like this pair. Euro USD, still the pair from last week. We had our daily rejection, now we have rejection again, unfortunately from the downside as well and from the upside, so this is kind of not the best position, but on a daily we are in an uptrend, what I don't like. But if we close under this area of interest on the daily, where we have some support and resistance. This could be a really good trade because we have really strong resistance on the weekly, and we have clearly stopped at this area of interest. So the daily is just the bad thing, but on the 4 hour as well, we are creating a head and shoulders. I want a close under, retest to then sell. That's already all the pairs for this week. I just need to get the right opportunity to enter, and I'm still trying to improve every day with my entries, but I hope this week is gonna give us an entry again. Not like this entry, because that was kind of from FOMO. This wasn't really a good entry, as you can see, but we will see. Week 14, same plan but better execution. This is FX Control. Thank you for watching.